very amazing to complete 100 likes, just 100 likes, just this is my last target. And please, if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel for updating you anytime. Let's see about the price of Cardano. So the current price, you can see here, the 1.27 US dollar. And what you say, they can cross easily, and Sunday 2 US dollar. I hope they cross easily 2 US dollar. But if they cross 2 US dollar, then I am going to sell it. Absolutely, I am going to sell it. I am a holder of Cardano. What you are a holder of Cardano. What you say, they easily cross it to US dollar. Please comment us, okay? And keep touch with us for latest updating you any hour. I hope they easily cross 2 US dollar. I updating you any hour. You just subscribe Awareness Tech channel, okay? So let's talk about the Cardano details. So you can see here, and the graph result absolutely good. You can see here, and the graph is absolutely going up. You can see here the jump of Cardano absolutely good. You can see here absolutely going upwards. So this is absolutely very good, and I hope they easily cross it to US dollar. So this is good, and if they cross easily to US dollar, then this is good time to you have just sell it. Absolutely good time to sell it. But this time you need to just buy it. This is absolutely good time for buying because they are going upward. So this is absolutely good time for buying. So just buy it, and if they cross 2 US dollar, there is good time to you just sell it. You can see here in the graph, this time you can downward, and the few, and you can see here the current graph is going upward. So this is absolutely good. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe Awareness Tech channel and complete 100 likes in this video. Please, you just like video, okay? Thanks for watching. Subscribe Awareness Tech channel for latest update. Bye bye, take care.